Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of live session today again, once again. So there are big movement in the market as we were expecting that. All right. So let's start with the basic things. I always just mention that crypto market is a very volatile market, and you guys have just witnessed this one today again. And what just happened today, BTC just crossed above like $96,000, which was expected as we were just discussing last week. By the end of the last week, yeah, the things were expected that as I just mentioned earlier last week, that if the BTC price closes above 90,000 dollars, then there are good chances for that one to go up, of course, and it's just moving to that way. And we were hoping that there is a next resistance at uh, 96,000 dollars, which is right now BTC is just facing right now. Uh, yeah, there is a alts also moved a little bit more up on the upside as well, and what we are so yes. Um, Our crypto market is a very volatile market, you guys just witnessed today, and that's what I'm always talking about. Do your own research. This video, this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trades. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Moreover, I'm not a financial expert as well. So what I do is I just made a strategy and just keep following that. That's the way I'm just trying to make small amount of money every day. That's what I do. And just going online to every day, showing you guys my strategy, and that's what I do always. And yeah, BTC dominance, of course, it's already on 58%. We are not like hoping for that one to go uh, down for now, as expected. Last week was, I just mentioned earlier in the last week, by the end of the last week. Hello, Pure Airwaves. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so what I was just talking about is, yeah, BTC just did as we expected that in this week, because the close of the previous week was above 90,000. So that's the thing we were just following, and so yeah, fear index is also decreased and moved toward the greed, which is 52, which is neutral somehow. Uh, no greed, no fear in the market, which is a good sign. But uh, almost $6 million, almost $6 million short positions just got liquidated, which is a very, very big amount, of course. So bears are trapped already, and we were expecting this was going to be happened uh, someday, of course, and this just happened today. Mm, all right. So, yeah, that's all for the information today and what's going on.
The big candle is finally here. Bitcoin just blasted through
Okay,
$96,000,
so
hitting a 2-month high. What's driving this monster move?
okay, so what's going on here? Let me show you another thing. Uh, see. Okay, guys, let me just add.
The big candle.
All right. So what's going on? All the alts are just were moving along the BTC, but as that was not expected that the alts are not performing well today. Uh, yeah, Bitcoin just liquidated all $600 million short positions today, which is not good for bears, of course. And should we call this a bull run? No, not. It's not the right time to call that one. Uh,
The big candle is finally here. Bitcoin just blast through $96,000.
Okay. And what's going on? I'm just looking at some charts. So, of course, that's the right time. We're just going to just grab small amount of profits. We'll try to trade on alts, meme coins always with what we do. And I'm just sharing few news in the WhatsApp channel as well. So you guys can, if you are not following me on the WhatsApp channel, you guys just click on the link in bio. That's the way you can just join me on my WhatsApp channel as well. So right now I am going to open up a long position. Um, we will try to grab small profits in every trade, what we do today. And let me just set up a little bit of okay, so what's going on? Okay, so what's going on in the market? Let's discuss few uh, in few words. Yeah, so it was a bullish breakout today and the sideways market. Uh, Sideways squeeze actually, and the market just experienced a massive shift in the momentum. Of course, we can understand it's just moving towards the bullish. That's a bullish breakout. We should call that bullish breakout. And yeah, and the market volume, market cap just surged almost 3.35 trillion, which is a good sign for. That's the indication for. Uh, Adding almost 110 billions since yesterday. So people are just trusting the market now and adding more money in the market today. And what's going on? Yeah, there are good chances the price would, of course, mm, the big candles are here, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Sol, XRP all are just moving up. Bitcoin just gained 5% gain today, which is a good thing, and Ethereum got 7%, which is like on silver. It's silver, gold. They are totally unpredictable. They are already on all-time high. If I would be doing trading on gold and silver, I'm not opening any position for now at least. I try to be safe. For short-term scalping, yes, you can open long or short positions, but it's right now. Uh, even today was I think all-time high, so which is like very scary. We were not expecting the silver to went to that price today. Well, that's a part of it. Um, I think the market is just like it's not understandable for now. I must say that if you understand the financial markets, if the S&P 500 previously can, uh, sure, I'm here for you guys. What kind of help you need? You want to start what? Crypto futures or what do you want to do? If you're already doing it, it's good for you. You must have a little bit understanding. If you're not, then I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so the markets are going crazy. Bitcoin is going up and alts are going down because BTC is dominating. So that was not expected. But yes, it's a part of it. And I have just got the position right now. I'm just going to share you my screen. Mm, yes, I can help you start. Do you have there are multiple apps. If you want to join any, I'm using. Let me show you my screen actually, so I can help you to create account. If have you ever done crypto already or not? If you are not doing crypto already, then okay. Uh, crypto. I must say, crypto is a very volatile market. You need to just understand the market trends, market coins, the way the platforms. So the platform I'm using is this one. That's L Bank. There is a link in bio. in my bio, you can click on the link. That's the way you can register your account uh, with this exchange. And yeah, first of all, first step is to register yourself with any exchange, whatever you feel suitable. I use this one because this one just give a good uh, control because it's linked with TradingView as well. So TradingView giving the it's giving the real time movement. So yeah, that's what I'm using this one since last 1 year, more than last 1 year now, and it's helping me to just make and understanding the good situation of the market. Okay, first of all, you need to create your account. You don't need to verify it. It's all right. First of all, initially, if you are new to that, just do register yourself. There are different types of markets in crypto as well. So what kind of markets are there? There are like spot market and futures market and omni futures. You can also like there are multiple you can buy in spot, you can buy in futures, you can do options trading. There are multiple trading uh, markets. What I do is initially I started with spot buying. It's just like the share. If you buy the share and you keep it in your account, if share moves a little bit, then you just gain some small amount of profit. On the other hand, let me tell you one thing about the spot and the futures. Futures are the contracts actually. You don't own that cryptocurrency, but you buy the contracts. Um, what's with the contract? You just take leverage from the market. Um, yeah. No, yeah, thank you so much for your likes and loves, and thank you so much for following me as well. Okay, so what I'm just telling you is, in futures, you just have contracts. What you do is you just buy. Let me tell you, start with spot. If you buy a coin on $10 and the coin price goes to $11, you are gaining just $1. Okay, that's your profit. And if it goes to $9, you are in $1 loss, but loss is not still there just because you are holding that coin as well. But in crypto futures, you can take the leverage from 1x to up to like 200x. That depends upon the exchange and the coin as well. That means if the price of that coin moves from $1, $10 to $11, and you have took the leverage from the market 10x, that means $1 move can give you $10 multiplied by 10. So that's the gain actually you gain in futures. On the other hand, you loses the money at the same pace on the negative side. If the price goes to $9, then you're losing $10 again. So that's the crypto future, and that's what I do actually. First 2 years was, of course, was very like crazy for me. I lost a lot, and then you have to just make a strategy. You have to make a discipline. Then you keep following that, and that's the way you can earn money. I'm earning a good money in crypto futures. In spot, you can make money, but you need to have big capital and just start performing. With the big capital, you can just buy a few coins, whatever, and you do a little bit study on that, and that's the way you can uh, increase your wealth, of course. But in crypto futures, it's the quickest way, I must say. So yeah, that's it. And if you need any help, just create your account first, then uh, start doing. If you are new to that, start doing on demo accounts instead of putting your real money. Start using with demo. That's the way you just understand the market. You know how to enter the market, what tab does what in the market, how to open position, how to open long position, how to open short position, what happens if the price goes up, or what happens if the price goes down, how to take leverage, how or what is cross, what is isolated. There are multiple things. It's not very hard to understand. You can get a very better understanding just like in few days. Mm, yeah, sure, sure. You can just send me a message. There is a link of on my WhatsApp channel as well. You can click on the link as well to join my WhatsApp channel as well. So there I start. sure I'm starting sharing like few signals every day, so you can follow the signals as well. So just create your account, and just let me know. I will definitely, available here to help you guys. But I would definitely love to, uh, guys, please just do on demo accounts. Uh, uh, Thank you so much, Tahir brother, for joining my channel. It's an honor for me, and yeah, that's it for. Mm, Brother Silver, you want to buy, uh, and they're taking interest. I don't understand what are you talking about. Like, if you want to buy on exchange, of course they will charge you something, and they will give you profit on the top of that. Uh, but it's already on all-time high. If I would be there, and I would get an opportunity to buy this, I will not. Okay, you can invest in silver, but if you want to buy this in the solid form, then you can contact with jewelers as well. And if you want to buy on exchange, yeah, there are there are multiple exchanges. There are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. That's the platforms. Uh, and you have to just register with yourself with a broker, so they will charge you a very small amount of fee. Uh, so yeah, you can buy on exchange as well. If you want my help, if so I will let you I will guide you how to buy that. But I suggest you, it's already on all-time high. I'm not suggesting anyone to buy right now. But it's very unpredictable. It's going very unpredictable. Gold is going uh okay. So you want to buy for the longer period of time. I must suggest you, uh if if you want to buy it on the, yeah, I understand. But uh, I don't know, like, what are you talking about? The interest, who is charging interest? Like, you are talking about the exchanges, or yeah, it's already on a all-time high. It's strongly not recommended to buy from here. It's going crazy, I must say. Okay, yeah, brokers give you interest on that. I don't know. I don't know. But I think the broker charge you just a little bit fee on buying and selling. I think so. And if you do futures on silver, then maybe you will get interest. Uh, but I don't have any experience in gold, buying gold or silver. But I just traded gold a few weeks back. But okay, maybe. So it's better for you to buy in the solid form from any jeweler. I'm in Thailand. Two of my friends just bought like a brick of 1 kg, like 2 months back. Now they have just sold it in a very good price. So they just made profit on top of that. I must say that's the profit. So they just bought physical silver. So yeah. Yes, if you want to buy for the longer period of time, I suggest you to buy this in the solid form. Yeah, if you want to get information about brokers, if you want to buy online, then I'm here to help you how to create your account. BTC updates. BTC is going crazy. The next target would be 100K, which is very achievable for now, I must say. And maybe uh, that's we just talked about by the end of previous week. On Friday, I was just talking that if last week closes above 90,000, then the next move would be 95, 96,000, which just has happened. It's just because of like two big things happen in the market. The Fed, uh, the inflation rates just stayed 2 point something, and mm, yeah. So, and the other one is It can, of course, it's not going from here to like $100,000, but what can we say? Let's talk about, let's see what indicators tells us. We can see the indicator as well, and let's say what does it says. So BTC is uh 5 minutes time frame. Let's talk for the longer period of time, I must say. You see, it's showing for the longer period of time, of course, it's not the right time to buy. We can buy that maybe from 91,000 as uh yeah, here 92,000 is the minimum range at support range for BTC. First support should be around there, or 93,200, somewhere around there. But if I would be there, if I would get a chance to buy, I will not buy it from here. But the weak high, if you see this indicator, that's a break of structure at 92,000, and I think BTC, yes, for sure, it will go up. Everything, every news in the market is in the favor of opening. It's the sign of bull run, but it's not 100%. We can just talk about that. Thank you, Ahmed, brother, for following. Uh, okay, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Is it's very risky from here, I must say. If But if we follow the indicator, this indicator shows us a good sign. We can just open a long position from here. Uh, Let me tell you about if we see the RSI. RSI is still not in favor. Uh, uh, Thank you, MHK, following me. Thank you. I must say, it's not the right time to open long position. Maybe last week was a very good indication, but price just crossed of, I must say, last two months. It crossed last 2 months all-time high. So we need to just be very careful right now. I must say, if you want to make good profit, you just trade like top 10 coins, maybe, not BTC, not even Ethereum, because they are already on the higher side. BTC, if BTC moves like 5%, alts move like 50% maybe, or 20%, 30%, 40%. So if you want to make quick money and you want to get a good profit on short period of time, just trade like meme coins. And I do that. I do that. I'm not trading BTC. I'm not trading Ethereum. I'm not trading Bitcoins. I'm just trading. Actually, I have a WhatsApp channel. I have not started giving the signals. I have just created that channel like few days back. I will start doing signals maybe in 2 3 days, hopefully, or maybe from starting from the Monday. Um, I preferably okay. Let me tell you one thing. What I do is, let me show you this exchange for now. Okay, so that's my position right now. I trade those coins which are already on the lower side of their prices, whatever that coin is, whichever is listed. Which, for example, let's talk about Truth. For example, this one. This is the 1 day candle, and if we see these coins are just hovering around their lower side of their prices. So what you need to do is just do a little bit research on the coins, and you see if the coins are hovering, they can fall down more on the downside as well. But what I do is I just select these kind of coins and open the long positions only. Preferably open the long positions. So that's the way. If you can wait, for the longer period of time, then that's the way you can just make a very good profit in these coins. If BTC moves like 1%, these coins jumps up to 10, 20, 30%. So you just make a good profit. Use small leverages, 5x, 10x is good. Use very like 1%, 2% of your capital, I must say. If you are having like small capital, then you can take the risk of using 5% of your capital up to 5%, not more than that. What I do is because I have grown up my capital very big, so I open the position with just 1% of my capital. Use sometimes 20x, 30x leverages. It's not recommended, but I use that. Yeah. So what I use to do that, I open the position with 1% of my capital. So that's what I do, and try to gain just 1% on top of that, 1% of my capital. So that's what I do. It can take like two, three trades, four trades, five trades. But that's the way I do. And if something goes wrong and I have done the like I have just done the mistake, and then I keep 1% to do DCA, if you understand. Like, yeah, it's good. 20x still like it's the high leverage, I must say. I have seen people like, okay, use 1% of your capital and open the position with 100x leverage. Okay, so people are making money. I'm not in the favor of doing that. I don't do that actually. I just want to keep myself safe. I just want my followers to be safe. Uh, okay, so what I do is I don't use stop loss. Actually, I do DCA. I open the position with 1%. That's my appetite of losing my capital. What I lose is if anything goes wrong, I just do DCA with 1%, another 1%. So my position size is 2% of my capital. I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand from last 4 years. So I'm in Bangkok right now. So that's my strategy. And if something goes wrong, I can close my trade manually, or I set my stop loss to -2% of my capital. That's what I do. Okay, that's great. Good for you. Australia, how's the weather? Must be cool. No, actually I don't have a very big knowledge, but I what I do is I have a good experience of losing money. So then oh, okay, okay, yeah, Australia is always hot. Yeah, I understand. Okay, great. So yeah, that's what I do is I have ga gained a very 2 years of experience of losing money. So that's the way. And now last year was my profitable, and I just overcame my losses. Plus, I just withdraw my capital. Now I have grown up my capital like uh like maybe 1,000% of my previous capital. So yeah, uh, technical analysis. There are multiple indicators you can use on TradingView and mm, TradingView. I preferably because I'm doing scalping. I'm not. Sorry, what do you? Okay. So what I do is I'm doing a short-term scalping. So what I do is I just follow the indicators and just take small amount of profits in every trade and just stay away. Um, that totally depends upon you, like how much you want to. I invest. I suggest people just invest the money. That's the extra for you. And if it goes wrong, then you don't feel bad for that. I just started doing that. Just wanted to make this one trading my profession initially, and started losing a lot. So that was the bad thing for me. Then I just overcame. It took me like 2 years to overcome to my and made my uh, discipline. So I just that totally depends upon you, like how much you want to make every day. So I what my strategy was, like I previously started using, like I just want to multiply my capital every day, which is possible, but that's very risky, and that's the way you can lose money very quickly. So I just did what I did is I now, because my capital is like it's a big capital now. So what I'm doing is I'm just gaining 1%. Try to gain 1% every day. If sometimes I gain it, and sometimes if I don't, I'm not gaining it, then I'm not trading that day. So yeah, like you can start with $100 and learn if you are doing it already, and mm, you should know. Okay. Well, it's good for you. It's good for you if you have overcame to your losses and you are in profit. It's a good thing that that's the one way uh, to like that's that's the one way you can like make profit, of course. But it may take a little bit time. What actually, I have seen people losing money. Like I have a very big circle of my friends. Most of them are in losses. What they were just doing is they were just trying to make a wealth over a night. So which is not possible, which is possible. Like people are doing it, but those people are just maybe 1% of that. The people who are trading. And so what we are doing is we are just fighting against that 1%. So that's what this one actually I'm using this exchange Lbank. Uh, it's like more than 9 8 9 years old. I'm using this because this is just giving me an opportunity to connect with TradingView. By default they are having TradingView connected with it, so it's easy to draw things on that. So that's why I'm using it. And it's safe for me. I'm trading on this platform since last 1 year, more than 1 year now. And yeah. Okay, so what I always just suggest people just make a discipline and just don't trade against your discipline. Whenever I did it, I closed my trade and loss. So I was in loss, in fact, for a very long period of time. But what we need to do is we need to just understand how to, yes. Oh, yeah. It's good to know. It's good to hear like you are in profit now. Yeah, but risk management, how you manage your risk in every trade. My appetite is my risk appetite is I can lose 2% of my capital in a day. If I am losing 2% of my capital in a day, then I'm closing my trade, I'm closing my system, and just go out and enjoy some fresh air. That's what I do. So but people are just initially when I was losing money, I added more money and just fighting against the market. So which is revenge trading is always gaining more losses. So yeah, that's that's what I suggest people. Uh, and I prefer to open. I try to create very small amount of profit. What I used to do is I open just 1% of any trade. I used to open with just 1% of my capital. So that's what I do. And most of my trades, if sometimes trade got stuck, it can take maybe like 3 4 5 days. Sometimes it take more time. But if that trade goes wrong to -2% of my capital, then I'm just closing that on manually, or I can set up my stop loss there. Okay, we are gaining money from the market, and that's the way we are. Okay, that's great. That's the way we are losing is if someone is gaining, of course, someone is losing. That's coming to your pocket as well. So, well, it's a part of it, and not every day is like profitable day. So, if somebody is making profit every day and showing you profit every day, okay, maybe he can do that. But I'm totally against this philosophy. If you I must say if you are like 10 days in profit in a month and losing 5 days in a month, don't okay, that's enough for you. uh if you have gained like 10% of your capital or maybe 20% of your capital in a month, that's enough. That's enough. That's more than enough. There are like very fewer businesses in the world they're giving like this kind of ROI. So So crypto futures is the one you can just double your capital in a day as well. But more risk, more reward, less risk, less reward, but that's the way you can just save yourself at least from getting liquidated or losing money. So I always suggest people like be very careful while trading crypto futures, especially. Uh, Yeah, that's what I do actually. My 1% is very good and very sufficient for me every day, and I just withdraw very small amount of money, not every day, but whenever I need it. So I just withdraw very small amount of money and just enjoy that money, spend that money on my family and on myself, and which is very good amount of money. You still actually over a night, I must say I have known like a lot of people they just wanted to get double their capital overnight, which is like very wrong approach, and that's the way they're doing it. So I gradually, it took me a lot of time, I must say, and then I gradually just increased my capital day by day, day by day, day by day, and now I'm in a very big capital, thanks God, and now I'm gaining very good profits. Um, Gaining not very good profits, but very small profits, which is very good on top of my capital. So yeah. Uh, like what are you talking about? I have seen people like losing a lot every day. I was the part of that group. So so okay. Yeah. That's what I'm just talking about. Even in start, like when I started crypto futures, I just added $10 and just made 20 just in a day. And I was very happy. Okay, so that I thought, okay, if I would have like $1,000, I can make $1,000 in every day, which is like very good thing. Then I added $100 and made $50 on top of that. But I was not happy. Okay, no, I just made 50%. No, that's too low. Okay, let's make it. In the very next trade, I lost $150. So, so I started in 2022, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2022. Yeah, crypto futures and spot trading. I started in 2017. I bought two BTC at the price of $8,000 in 2017 and just converted all of them to like all small shit coins and meme coins at that time, which was where like very wrong decision. We were not expecting like BTC. Then BTC went up to $22,000, but I was having a and my I gained I invested like almost like 15, $16,000 at that time. But in spot, you were safe. Then BTC went down and kept down like maybe for 2, 3 years. Then I 2020, I think 2021, the BTC uh, gained the momentum again up went up to like maybe $50,000. Then my portfolio was on my break even a very little bit up on my break even. So I just sold all of them. I waited for like 3, 4 years, came to my break even. But in spot, you are safe. It takes a lot of time, but yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's what's the mindset of the people, I think. Uh, so well, that's agreed, actually, I must say. Uh, like if you feel like make small money and you're not happy, of course, it's not in your hands. And if you're gaining like $200 in your hand, that feels good. So yeah, well, uh, that's the psychology of being human. So it's good. It's good. That's the thing. If you made uh, a discipline and you keep, just it's just a game of discipline, not more. Uh, so now this trade, I have just opened this trade and just waiting for this to go up. And one more thing, yeah, that's what we do is uh, we need to just wait for long period of time sometimes. People are just in hurry to make money, and crypto tests your patience every day. I just opened the long position from here, which is the market is going against that, but I am just opening a short long position from here because we are doing scalping. You know, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Even I don't make any money sometimes, so it's okay, it's okay. If you are not losing anything and not making anything, still you are safe. You are in safe zone. Mm, yeah, okay. I was just hoping for this one. These two big candles just gave me this position. I just entered the position in these two candles. And if we see the not BTC. Oh, sorry. Favorites. Yes, sorry. One of our followers just told me, please. I have a WhatsApp channel. I'm just converting that to groups, maybe in near future, hopefully. Uh, so we can just communicate in that. We can share our findings, thoughts, and I already have a group on WhatsApp, but that's actually not safe. Maybe I already have one on Telegram as well. Uh, if you're using Telegram, you can follow that as well, or you can just send me a message in my private message, so I can just send you a link. Uh, my stop loss, I'm not putting stop losses in any trade. I I just keep open a position. If goes wrong, I just do DCA with 1% of my capital again. Losing 2% is good instead of like hitting stop loss in every trade almost. So I'm not putting stop losses. Yeah, sure, sure. Even in bio, there is a link. You can just click on that. That's my WhatsApp channel is also there. You can just join that channel as well. It would be a great honor for me. Uh, so pure airwaves. So what? So how do you set your stop losses? You can just share your opinion as well. And what was just I'm thinking about? Okay, this one. No, this one is in truth. It's going wrong. Just hovering around to my break even. Just hoping for the best. You guys, if you are new to my channel, there is a link in description. I'm using this exchange. There is a referral link of my exchange as well in the bio, so you can just register with that exchange as well as you can join my WhatsApp channel as well in that link. So that's a link of Linktree. There is my YouTube channel, my TikTok channel, my exchange referral, and my WhatsApp channel link is there. So you guys can join that if that would be a great honor if you guys can join me on YouTube as well. So I have just started doing live sessions from last 1 month almost now. So just to slowly, gradually increasing the followers and trying to create a good community. Okay. What do you think? Should I put my stop loss? No, no, TP somewhere. Uh, Pure AV brother, I just wanted to mention one thing as well here. Sometimes I put my stop loss if my price goes on, if my position goes 10% or 15% positive, then I put my stop loss to just a little bit top of my break even. So that's the way we can just move ourselves in safe zone as well. Sometimes I do that, but not all of the time. Mostly I just set TP somewhere. Let's talk about in this trade. It seems like $60 are achievable. Uh, but if we see the 5 minute momentum, RSI is just 33. It's in favor for now. It may go long, but if we see this indicator, if it shows the weak low, then we can be in trouble. This indicator 1 hour, no, not 1 hour. Let's talk about 5 minutes. So weak low is not a good sign for my position at least. What I'm going to do is we are just going to wait. Okay. But if we see the RSI, you see the RSI is in a good favor. Maybe not. Weak low, weak low. Okay. Okay, it's going down. Maybe a little bit. Equal low, equal high. Mm, things are. That's the sign for 1 minute time frame to open the short position from here, but I have just opened the long position when the weekly low is not. Week low is always not good for long positions in any time frame you can see. But this indicator, I have just tested this one. This indicator is showing like more 50-60% of like signals, good signal, right signals, I must say. Uh, but for now, let's see. Week low is. Hmm, I think this one. Let's talk about 15 minutes. What do you think? Do you have any understanding, Shrey brother, for this one, for this indicator? Strong low. If we see on the longer respect for the broader respect, there is a strong low at 117. No, that's far away from 118. That's far away from here, from my entry, from my break even. For short-term, for short-term scalping, I use RSA value 5. So that's what I do actually. Yes, if you are using like intraday trades or swing trades, then you can use like 14, yeah, for the broader aspect. But I use like for short-term scalping, the RSI 5 is a good value. That's what I learned actually. We can, yeah, yeah, you will. Short-term scalping 5 is good actually. But for that, if you are opening a long or short position, thank you so much for following as well. What I do is actually for short-term scalping using the value RSI 5, if the value goes below 20 for the long position, and for short position, if the RSI is above 80, so I just open the short position from there most of the time, and most of the time it goes good, and yeah, so most of the time it went well. It goes well, but sometimes it doesn't go well. Uh, yes. So BTC was going crazy today, and this trade is also going crazy today. Well, no, I'm not in. What I just want to keep it open, just one, keep opening just one trade instead of opening multiple positions. If we see that's the 15-minute time frame, we see, let me check about 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, you see there is a strong low, but that's very far from here. It's 0.008. No, no. Or let me check that on other screen as well. Okay. Uh, for let's do that for 5 minutes. Weak low, weak low, weak low. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, okay, I've just did it. Uh, Meanwhile, let's see another pair. What can we see? ARKM, strong low, weak high. That's the 5 minute time frame. What's strong? You guys can see, we can take another trade in this coin as well. ARKM. Uh, it's a good coin actually. I just opened the long position 2, 3 days back and just made very small profit and just took it away. Hmm. ARKM. ARK. I had that in my. Okay. Uh, if we follow that indicator, this one, SMC, then I think we can open the long position. But RSI not is not in favor. Please check the IP coin. You're talking about IP coin or weak low? 5 minutes time frame, weak low. Uh, okay. If we do a little bit, weak low means good indication for opening the long position, I think. But that's if we see that's a 1 hour time frame. It's going. Let's see what was its all-time high. Uh, okay, it moved a good. It gained a momentum, bullish momentum, like from like 3 days. Change of trajectory is there, and went. Uh, uh, at this price, it was on 13th November. So now 13th December, 30th January. So 2 months. It just gained the same momentum as BTC did. Uh, so that's the 1 day time frame. That's let's talk about 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, just one candle went red. And if we see the 1 hour time, RSI is in favor, but maybe we can wait for mm, that's the 15-minute candle. Uh, I think, brother, if I would be, if I wanted to open this position, I will take the position if the RSI will be in my favor. That's the 1 minute. Oh, no, sorry, that's a 1 minute. That's the 5 minutes time frame. Even if the in the 5 minutes time frame, if the RSI would be in favor for just a quick scalping, so RSI should be in my favor. Right now RSI is 57 because I have set the value of RSI at 5, which is like sorry, just got a notification. Okay, so which is I think now the RSI value is 60. I think we should wait on the 5 minutes time frame. On let's say on the 15 minutes time frame. If you see, it's on 46. It's just in middle of nowhere. I think for short-term scalping, yes, we can open the long position, but what we need to do is we need to get the confirmation of RSI at least. On the 15 minute, 5 minutes. Yes, see, RSI is not in favor. RSI is 61, 62. So yeah, what do you think? Thank you, Apple, for following me. Okay. Hmm. This is, I think it's not the right time. If we talk about this one, let's do it on the 5 minutes candle. RSI, see the RSI is 56 for the short-term scalping. It's not still in the favor. We will open the long position. It's already bullish. Yeah, yeah, it's already in bullish. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's bullish momentum, but I must say for short-term scalping, just get the confirmation first. It's bullish. It will go up, but try to grab as much as on the lower side of its price. That's my strategies. If you get it on the right time, then it's a good thing. It's it's moving sideways, not even going bullish in this time frame, not even bearish. We cannot like, yeah, but if we do a little bit back test, here it was bullish. Right now, if you see, this is a 5 minute time frame. Let's set to it to 15 minutes. I think right now it's just moving sideways. So you see, I have set the value to 5 RSI because of quick scalping. If you're doing intraday trade, swing trade, then you can set the value to 14, 12, somewhere around there. That's the good thing. 5 minutes bullish, 1 minute. Okay. Weak low. If we follow this indicator, SMC, then it's showing weak low, which is not a good sign for the long position. But it's like mix and match situation, not in the clear situation right now. We can wait maybe few minutes and let's see where does it goes. If this one follows this indicator, or this indicator is just giving us the good signal, mm, weak low means it can go fall down a little bit more from here. On the other hand, let's okay. Uh, for this one, yes, I just want to open the long position in this one, but from where it's just showing the bullish momentum as well. The momentum is bullish. Uh, that's 5 minutes, that's 5 minute, and that's 15 minute. Okay, that's 1 hour. 1 hour is still, and 1 day is okay. These kind of coins are the coins I'm just talking about. I have just talked about for these kind of coins. We should like keep an eye on the coins which are already on the lower side of their prices. We can open any position like with small amount of money and with small leverage and just let it go maybe for swing trade or for intraday trade. So that's a way you can just get a good profit. If one goes above on the upside, then yes. If goes wrong, then no worries. Will go someday. Okay, so my truth trade is in negative $21. Okay, no worries. It is already on the lower side of its price, and what I am going to do is hmm, I just want to open a long position. Uh, let's keep it in favorites IP. We will see uh, what was ARKM. Yeah, see week low on one. No, let's talk about 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, mm, week high. You see on the 5 minutes time frame, if we want to open a position, I just want to open a position in this one. Uh, 5 minutes time frame. RSI should be below, at least below 30. Then I will open a position. Just waiting for the right time. And we'll do. So let's see if things goes right or wrong. Guys, there is a link in bio. You can click and join my WhatsApp channel as well. That would be a great honor for me. Uh, Thank you, Kasim brother, for following my account. Okay, so RSI is just hovering around 250, just in the mid. We are not opening any position from here. We will wait. We will wait. And if we see the 1 minute week low, okay, what can we do is we can just set a limit order on this. Mm, thank you, brother, for your hearts and love. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are just waiting and hoping. We just did a wrong trade. Actually, not the wrong trade, but against the market, against the indicator. Uh, but I think this indicator was showing the right indication. If we do check on the 5 minutes, what should I do? Should I open the long position from here? What do you suggest? See, it's just coming down. RSI should be in my favor at least. RSI is 44, just below 30, then I can open the long position from here. There is a weak high. Uh, mm, all right, right. Mm. We will not take any position until unless we are not getting any confirmation. That's that's where market tests your patience actually. Uh, be safe actually. Don't do hurry. Just like I did in the previous trade. Okay, that's totally fine. That will come to positive, of course. Uh, but for now, I'm stuck in that trade. Okay, that's a part of it. All right. I'm just waiting for the right time to open any good position. RSI is not in favor. Just try to grab small profit. Don't run after big profits. So, guys, you're watching my live session. What do you suggest? What do you suggest? Like, what should I do in this in specific position? Uh, n- Not a professional trader, but just gain a good profit. So that's why I just started doing live sessions, telling people about the strategy and discipline. Actually, what I do is start 2 years was like I when I started futures was not good. I was in a great loss. Then I just tried to try to make some strategy and make some discipline. So now I am in a very good shape. So that's what I just wanted people to just overcome their uh, emotions and make some strategy and keep following that. I try to just do a small scalping every day, most of the days, not on weekends, most of the time. Sir, I have like big followers, not big followers, but a lot of people just, welcome salam. Actually, people are just following me from all over the world. People are just watching me from all over the world, actually. So I think most of people can understand. Even if you are watching, I must say you can also understand. Um, okay. So I just started my live sessions almost above 1 month. And in start, I just started doing in Urdu, and I was not gaining very good views, and people were not watching. Of course, we have very limited audience who can understand, but in English, I have like few followers from US, from UK, from England, from Canada, England, UK, same thing. Also, so and few from Australia as well. So people are just trying to, it's easy, brother. Don't mind, please. 950, 200 provide good support and resistance level. Okay. Yes, we can do that. Previously I was using SMA and EMA as well, but for short-term scalping, it takes a lot of time to. Mm, this is it's not a trade actually. I'm just waiting for the right time to open a position, Fahad brother. Maybe just want to get this position, this one. But for the short-term scalping, I think, brother, SMA, it's a good indicator. But majorly, I'm using RSI. just very basic indicator, but set the value at 5, and just try to take the trade if the RSI, if for the long position, the minimum benchmark is 20, and for the short position is 80. Uh, Brother, BTC can go like next benchmark is 100K, but when is that happening? It can take maybe a week, a month, not a month, but maybe within a week, hopefully, if anything, if nothing big is happening in the market. So if you have seen my previous Saturday live se Friday last session, I was just mentioning that if the BTC closes above 90,000 this week, the last week, then the next benchmark would be 100K, but maybe take 2 weeks maybe. But if you want to open a long position, it's not the right time. Maybe it will retrace to 90 to 93,000 in between that. Then you can open the long position. But do your own research. That's my understanding. Maybe I'm wrong. You can do your own research as well. Don't follow what I say. Just do your own research as well. You're welcome. Actually, I have seen people just started abusing if something goes wrong. So that's what I always say. Do your own research and don't lose money, brother. It's a hard-earned money, and that's what I just want, people not losing money. Thank you, Kamra, brother, for following. Oh, okay, 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 great. Sorry, I'm just getting. Okay. Oh, okay, great, great. So you're from USA, okay, nice. On daily bearish frag, um, BTC just got liquidated almost 600 million USDT short positions. I don't know. The BTC is on the bullish side. What I understand is maybe for short term we can see. Let's talk about BTC. Here is it. Let's talk about uh, see the momentum, brother. I don't know why you're calling it bearish. It's totally bullish, and that's a 1 hour time frame. If we see 1 day time frame, it's not cleared yet, but it's just moving side. It moved sideways from last like 2 months almost, November, December, and it crossed above like what was the last time at this point? 17th of November, and now like 13th of January. It's still moving sideways. We cannot confirm the momentum, I must say. So why you call that bearish? If you have a good idea, you can just tell me so I can. That would be a great for me to understand. For short-term scalping, still I don't know. Okay, see, just moving sideways. Yes, yes, it will come to that price for sure. It will come to that price. There is I have just drawn the support at this price. 91 and 91 900 somewhere around there. There is a support there, of course. But if we see RSI, it's but brother, it's a very volatile market. We cannot judge, like it can go down to like 86,000 as well. But like somewhere around, yeah, 86, 87,000 again as well. But we cannot like judge it from here. It's just if BTC also moves according to market speculation as well. So now why it just moved up? Because of like two things happen in the market. What was that? Let me tell you. Yeah, the Fed and wow, BTC just uh, 14th. I must say, if you have just seen the news, so inflation rates of US, it's just moving because inflation rates just came lower than expected. So that's what we were just having a look on that. And there is a Clarity Act on just passed a Clarity Act. So I don't know why this. Uh, Yeah, these two major factors just took the price up to that mark. And mm, yes, these two things just made a bullish momentum today. The price got okay, it have 2 month liquidity and yes, CPI data, yes, just showed the inflation rate that which is like good thing for the crypto market. We would that was expecting like. Yeah, 100K is the resistance. 97K is, yeah, very minimum resistance. We can say that, but if we see on the 90, yeah, 100K will face some resistance, but then everything goes in favor, then the next stop would be very big. Uh, well, there are market speculations. Like I have seen a lot of big people just talking about BTC will go in first quarter on above 200K. Well, that these are the news actually we started just hearing and reading news since 2017 when I started crypto. Well, we were expecting like BTC will touch $1 million in 2020, which was not happening, which not so it's just like things, there are multiple factors. So what we are doing is we are just trying to catch our small shares from the market. And thank God I am just able to grab that share from the market. So that's why I just want people to understand and get some very small profits every day. So we were having a look on this coin as well. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's showing IRK. Oh, that's a 1 day candle, sorry. Um, if we follow this indicator, this is giving us a signal to open a long position. Week high RSI is 39. I am just I'm just waiting for this one to come. Or I can take the risk, but I don't know, should I take the risk from here or should I wait? What do you think? Let's set it to 5 minute time frame. Yeah, 5 minutes time frame is not. And what my strategy is, I usually close the trade. If trade goes above 15%, then I set my stop loss to my break even most of the time, and let it continue if the trade goes right. and try to close that 30-40% in between there most of the time. So just try to grab small profit. Try to open with minimum at least 1% of my capital sometimes, but most of the coins are just not allowing. There are some exchange limitations as well. We can just open, we cannot open for big positions on some coins. I don't know what's the reason behind that, but still it's giving us an opportunity to make money. Okay. So strong low on 5 minutes time frame, and yeah, I just want to grab this position. I just want to do that. Following by this indicator and RSI as well. Uh, it became sometime boring to wait for long period. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not getting any good position right now. I just want to grab this coin at least on the right mark. Okay, moreover, strong low 5 minute candle is previous 5 minute candle was very small candle. There was not a big volume in this one as well. Okay. Hmm. Let's wait. Let's wait. Uh, yes. That's what I need is RSI to come down to. Hmm. I'm hoping for the best. RSI is 35, just below 30, then I will open the long position. That's what I need. That's the benchmark. Thank you, Hamza brother, for giving me your love and following me. I hope you have created your account as well. If not, then click on the link in bio. That's the way you can click register on this exchange as well. And you will be awarded 50 free USDT, which is a good thing. That's just for my referrals. You can use that for futures trading for I think 7 days period of time. And you can make profit on top of that, withdraw your money, don't put your real money. Instead of that, you can use free bonus money. Okay, okay. Uh, you can deposit your money as well, but you don't need to deposit anything. You will be given a free 50 USDT bonus uh, upon registration. You can utilize that for futures trade. So it's a good thing. Instead of putting your real money, instead of putting your money, use exchanges money. They're giving you an opportunity just to build that opportunity. RSI is 35, 37. It's not, it's hovering around to what I just wanted to. I will not get any position until unless the RSI will be in my favor. Sorry guys, it may take a little bit more time, but that's the way I just want to follow the trade. Sorry, maybe that will be a little bit boring to wait for some. Mm, Oh, just came to that price. I just want to open a long position. Volume is good. Let's talk about this one. If we see this indicator, it's still showing the strong low. Strong low is good thing to open a long position. Weak high is not a good sign for opening the short position. I just want to open the long, at least come to 30, then I will open the short, long position. See, this is the moment. See, see the RSA. What is it doing? So that's what I need. I just want this one to come down a little bit. So that's why I'm just waiting. Mm, I hope I don't want this session to go without any position. The one position is already stuck. Truth one, it's just going down. I just want to take this position following by this indicator, SMC. So let's see if we can get something in this trade as well. Hmm, it's just getting some rejection at this price. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe it will not come to that price. And what was today's highest was uh, that's the lowest, that's the highest. Okay, 2267. It's just hovering around to the higher price. I don't know. What should we do? So, any of you guys trading gold as well? Yeah. Mm. Oh, thank you so much. Uh, okay, great. Uh, if you're not following me on YouTube, please click on the YouTube link as well and ask your community to join that account as well. That would be a great honor for me as well, brother. And we'll talk to you for sure. Just give me a chance. Okay. Which position is closed? Oh, my H position was stuck from last day. And oh, you see, I had this position yesterday. I just opened this position and just closed it today. Wow, what a big pump. That's the trade I closed yesterday in negative $50 and $61 just made today. Okay, good enough. That's why I just talk about these kind of coins. Actually, you need, all you need to do is just grab these coins, and that will give you, maybe if your trade got stuck and take a little bit more time. On the other hand, you are just going to get, at least you're going to get some profit. So in this trade, I have made $60, $61. Yesterday, I lost $48 and made $18. And what was 13, 13, 13, 13. On 13th, I have just made, even I have not made anything. Even I lost even 30, 30, $25 in total. And today I've made $61 in this trade. Okay, it's good. It's a good sign. But see the momentum, this kind of momentum, we can, if we follow the RSI, let's talk about this one. Let's forget about for this. Okay, let me set up the not this one, not this one. Let me set up a long position for this one, 22 from 20. You see the oh wow, RSI is in my favor, not in 5 minutes. Let me check 5 minutes. 5 minutes is just near to my. I'm just going to set up the limit order at 2225. Okay, I'm just setting up the limit 2225 and opening with. We try to open with very small leverage. Opening, let's using 20x leverage. Opening with $128. That's what it's showing me. Not using big money in this. So I have just set the limit order, and in the 5 minutes time frame, uh, the RSI is below 30, which is what I need, and just near to my limit order. See, uh, I'm from Pakistan, but currently I'm residing in Thailand, Bangkok. If you want to see the buildings, I can show you from my phone while I'm on the higher floor in my building. So okay, so yeah, so the price is just hovering around to grab my position. Let's see if this gives me. Okay, so on the other hand, let's talk about mm, this one. The coin I have just made $61. This one. So you see, guys, you guys can see these kind of candles. These are 5 minutes time frame. Uh, okay, you want to see outside? Let me show you. Okay, so that's my room, and that's the view. I'm on the higher floor. That's the downtown. Actually, I'm on the back side of the downtown. So here's the downtown. Here's the Bangkok. It's nice here. That's the view from my room actually, and that's my system, and that's what we were just talking about. Okay, okay. So I have grabbed this position as well. See, I am into this position again. Uh, open the open the long position, following by. Okay, if we follow this indicator, so there is a strong low, means we should not open the short position. But for scalping, yes, we can open. Let's talk about 1 minute time frame for short-term scalping. See, weak high. Weak high is not a good sign. Means it can go way up. So we are not trading this one because it's a big volatility in this coin right now. So we cannot open any long or short position from here. I must suggest you guys don't open that in these kind of coins. In these kind of moments, try don't not to grab any position. Just if something goes wrong, then that will take you down. So instead of that, just try to uh yeah, try to grab that on the right mark. uh for example, I just did it. and just setting up my TP to $40. That's achievable. Maybe it will take a little bit time. Mm. Now let's draw some sport. Actually, it's just moving sideways. I don't think so. We can just let me draw the range. That's 5 minute time frame. It's the momentum is bullish if we see the 15 minutes time frame, you see. But momentum can be shifted anytime. Then we will be in our trouble just like that. Not not right now. But still. Okay, we just have opened a position. The previous position was good. We have just made a very small profit, which is like not even 1% of my portfolio. But okay, better than nothing. Sometimes you gain small profit, sometimes you lose big money as well. So just be safe, guys. That's what I always talk about. Okay, so that was IP. One of our forward just mentioned about this one. That's a 1 minute time frame. Let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Let's talk about 1 hour. What was the moment move? Okay. So see these kind of coins. Actually, this is the 1 hour time frame. It's just the momentum is totally bullish. But if we do a little back test, you see it just moved to that price, that range, and shifted the momentum to bullish. And now it's again moving sideways from last, what was that? Almost, okay, yeah, almost more than 12 hours, 15, 16, 17 hours almost. So moving sideways, we cannot judge like from here it will go up or down. Sorry. 5 minutes time frame. If we see 5 minutes time frame showing weak low, we can open the short position, but not recommended. Okay. Okay, guys, there's a link of my WhatsApp channel as well. You guys can join. There's a link in bio from where you can connect with me on my WhatsApp channel as well. I'm just going to make a group so we can communicate in that group as well. But on the other hand, we can just suggest me like should I have a group on WhatsApp as well, but on the other hand, I have a group on Telegram as well. I think Telegram doesn't work in Pakistan very well. I just came to know about that, but it should work well. Well, okay. Uh, okay, let's remove this coin and we are going to talk about this one. This one is just falling down. Weak low is again the sign to open the short position, but I have opened the long position already from here somewhere 125, 20 something. Yeah, so I'm stuck in this position. I will close that position for sure. I will send you the results of that position as well. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. It's showing strong low. I just took the long position. I have seen the strong low on 15-minute time frame, but that would not be good for short-term scalping. It will take some time to go to that price as well, but strongly not recommended. And try to use small averages, bro. Everyone, it can, What about this one? With okay, strong low, wave, strong low. This one is just see where did RSC went? It went to three. Wow. The five RSA value five went to three, the mark of three, which is like 3.44. Wow, it's a very low. And if it's shifting the momentum, then I should be worried about it. So yes, on the other hand, I think let it go. Let this one go for now. Oh, so that's the truth. That's stuck. It will come to my break even for sure. It will hit my TP as well because if we see the mm, oh, I was just going to check with is also showing us. Okay, if we see whiff on the 5 minutes time frame, yes, good potential, but no. Let's talk about 50. Okay, momentum can be shifted any moment. Uh, let's talk about 1 hour. Okay, this is the 1 hour candle. These are the 1 hour candles. Let's talk about 1 day. Okay, maybe for the longer run, but I think if BTC falls down below 90,000, then it will go to this price, which is which I don't want to go. Where to go? I think we should wait. For short-term scalping, we can do a scalping in this one. You see the R. If we see RSI, it also went to like very low in the previous 1 minute time frame. On the 5 minute time frame, it's just hovering around to below 7, below 17, below 20 was good, but see, still overall momentum is just showing the bearish trend in the 5 minutes time frame, but we cannot confirm it yet. So let it go for now. Did I miss any message? Hamza brother, hope you like my view. How was that? Did you like it? Okay. I think I should have start doing live sessions in Urdu. So maybe more people will join. What do you think? Truth says, okay. What I will do is I will do DCA again with IP USH USDT. Okay, so we were just looking at ESC. That was the sign. Strong low, weak high. Weak high, that's what I was just talking about. Weak high means there's a good chance for this one to go up again. On the 15 minute as well, see, on the 15 minutes it's showing strong high, but that was the mark almost like 13th on 5 o'clock in the morning Bangkok time. So maybe it can go up. I'm not sure for now. 15 minute week low, 15 minute week low. We can open the. No, I just don't want to open any position in this one. 5 minutes, let's talk about 1 minute. Okay, so ZXR USDT. Okay, brother, let me check. ZXR. I think we have just checked this one ZXR yesterday. ZXR? ZRX, sorry, ZRX. Sorry, ZRX. ZRX. This one? There is no volume in this coin. ZRX USDT. Mm, Umar brother, actually, I must say, let's talk about, let's check 1 hour time frame. Oh, okay. Uh, According to 1 hour time frame, there are good chances for this one to go down for scalping. Not for scalping, but for intraday trade or swing trade. But if we see 15 minutes time frames, week high shows the indication for short period of time, maybe for if you see week high, or let's check 1 day time frame as well. So these kind of coins I'm just talking about. If you have opened any long position in these kind of coin, then let it go and just to say, yeah, that's a 1 day time frame. For 1 day, if I will open any position in these kind of coins, actually these are already hovering around on their lower side of their prices. You can just open a long position and just let it go maybe for few days, then you can make good profit. You see this candle this day on 30th of December, then 31st December went down again. So one if 1 day some big whale just put some money in these kind of, and this happens, and that's the history. These kind of coins can give you a very good profit, but for that you need to have some patience. These are all you see that what was the all-time lowest was 0.1148. So it's now 11442. So not very much on the higher side, but if if you want to ask about my opinion, if I would be opening the any kind of position, I will take it. Oh, I will open the long position and will keep it continue maybe for a few days. So that's the way you can, and try to if you are using leverage from the market, try to use 5x 10x leverage, not more than that, and use very small amount of margin instead of using big amount of margin. So if something goes wrong, it can go wrong, anything can be happened. If we see that's a weak low, so there are why it's weak low, because the momentum is just bearish for broader aspect. So that's what I just uh, I will keep open that position maybe for the long period of time. But you see the BTC just moved up to 96,000, and it's just moving very small, steady movement, very slow movement. See, that's the one now. Oh, sorry. That's the 1 hour. It just moved up because of BTC. If BTC will move up again, so see the 1 hour candle, there is no big movement. In the 1 hour time frame, if you want to open a long position, if you want to open, or if you are already in a position, if you are open, if you are in a long position already and still in positive, you can wait for a long period of time. That will give you a good profit. And if you have opened the short position from here, for short period of time, yes, there are good. That's a strong high, means it's not giving this one to a chance to go up. A little bit weak low means yes, you can make some profit. There would be a first resistance somewhere around 0.1410, 15, somewhere around there. Not 10, yeah, 1415, because there is not big much volume in this coin, so it's just moving very very slowly. But for the broader aspect, you can open a long position and just let it go for a few days. That's my opinion. Do your own research as well. Uh, if you want to open a long position from here, don't open it for now. You can wait at least maybe for 1 4, yeah, 0.1340, somewhere around there. You can open the long position from here. It will come to this price. If you do a back test, you see, if you do a back test, maybe it will take some time, but if you want to do a swing trade in this one, then you need to wait to open a long position. Not right now. I'm not in the favor of opening any long position. So it's a good coin. So did you have open any position in this one? You can just tell me as well. Let me put this one. My hands are tired. Mm, okay. What is it? Um, okay. All right, guys. Moreover, let's talk about uh, you're welcome, brother. I hope you get some uh, I, for this one specifically. I will wait. Uh, I will do swing trade in this kind of coin actually, maybe for the long period of time, not for the short. HUSDT. Let's talk about this one. 1 hour C. That's the 1 hour. 15 minutes. Okay, just falling down again. See, that's the 5 minute candle. Okay, that's the whiff for I think we'll let the whiff go. I'm just so scared of opening the position right now because the BTC is moving very good on the higher side, bullish momentum, but these coins are not gaining very good percentage of the praise. You see, truth was unexpected. You see, I have just set up these like few coins in my favorites, and and truth is showing negative 13%, which is totally unexpected. But this is happening in the market, and we cannot do anything. Um, ARKM, I am in. Oh yeah, we have just an open position, and this one, okay, just moved to my break even, and let's wait. I just don't want to open any position. I'm not in the favor of opening any position right now. Maybe not. I think we should wait. Well, in this case, uh, you see, in the moment shows. Hmm, okay, hours. Uh, what do you think, guys? I think potentially if we see uh, let's talk from here, here. Hmm, let's talk about 5 minute. It's better. Yes, I think we should wait. Uh, it went to that price again and again and again. We have a good hope for this one. I have a good hope for this one if we do a little bit back test. It's moving sideways. It's not, but break of structure there. Let me check this indicator. What does it says on the 5 minute time frame of truth? No, sorry, ARKM. You see this momentum on the 5 minutes time frame. So break of structure went very well. Mm, okay, let's. I think my TP is very, very achievable. I'm hoping for good for this one. Uh, mm, 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame always gives you a very panic. That's what we were just talking yesterday as well. And I think I should have to get some mic. Hmm. Sorry guys, if you guys are hearing the kids' noises, you know kids, we cannot control them. They don't have brakes. So uh okay. So I have kids in house and they are, you know, they're kids. So that's enough description for the noise. Okay, okay. What is it happening? Okay. Why it's not showing on this one? Um, I just want to wait. Do we have another opportunity on any other coin? Okay, let's see another. Let's try to hunt another coin. Let's see. Change 7% was the highest. No, 40%, 46%. Bera. Bera, what is that? Okay, 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 okay. That's the 1 minute candle. That's the 1 hour candle. Okay. Going up, up, and up, and fall a little bit down. And wow. No, let's forget this one. Let's see the lowest one. What is that? Some Chinese name. Uh, Ayan Bullah. What is that? Okay, okay. 5 minutes. Okay. So these kind of coins are like very, very. Oh wow, that's a 1 hour candle. Let's see the 1 day time frame. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay. Should we take a chance in this one? This is already going down. Taking the trade against momentum can be very dangerous. Uh, but already moving at the lower side of its price. What do you think? I think we should catchy. Thank you so much for your likes and comments as well. What do you think? See the RSI. RSI is very like it went to two. Wow. And still not sure. See the 1 hour candle. It's dangerous. But these wicks are good sign. See, that means there is a resistance support somewhere around there. So that's the previous. Okay, that's the 1 day candles and what we see. Let's see BULLA. What is that? BULLA. For scalping, let's see. Premium. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so this is the 1 minute and week low, week low, week low on 1 minute, week low on 5 minute. It should be week low. No? Week low, of course, week low. And 15 minutes is also week low. And 1 hour should be week low, of course. Uh, sorry. On the 1 hour showing strong low at 0.027. Now it's 0.030. So for swing trade, we can open a position. Uh, what do you think? Let's see. Let's see. Not sure. Let's do that on 1 minute time frame. It's funny to see on 1 minute time frame. Change of structure was here and they just fall down in 5 candles again to back to that position as well. Um, weak low. If I will open a long position from here, that means I'm just taking the trade against the indicator, which can be dangerous if we follow that indicator. And the indicator is giving us a good signal, but I don't know. I just don't want to take the risk in this one specifically. I want to take the risk, but let's see. See, this is let me set up to 5 minutes. See, okay, okay. Okay, I think we can take the position. Okay, let's grab some position in this one, maybe from 1 minute time frame. Okay, let's try to it's just moving a steady movement from here. What we can do is we can just grab our share, but we cannot neglect RSI from here at least. See the momentum. Momentum is trying to shift on this time frame. On the 5 minutes is always. It's also trying to shift the momentum to bullish. Five. Okay. I think we should take a chance in this one. What do you think? Mm, 250 to 30. Mhm. You're welcome. Thank you so much. You followed me, so I was thinking I was thinking around. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your comments. It's a great honor. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Uh, I think we should wait for this one specifically. Uh, Maybe it can be risky, but uh, okay. Sorry guys. Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you so much. Okay. Should I? I'm not sure. Um, the moment is very scary. Let's do a little bit back test. Mm, okay, we can open a long position, but we'll try to use small leverage, small margin. I just have opened the position and let's see where does it takes me. My ARKM trade is negative 24, $25. But okay, what I will do is I will try to set TP. Oh, I opened it with 20x. Okay. Okay, so that's my TP. Uh, if the price goes to at least 15% of my trade, then I will set my stop loss to my just above my break even. Um, I'm just taking the risk in this trade, not following the RSI, taking against this indicator as well. Maybe it will go wrong, but if we're not taking chances, then how can we make money? All right. $10, just a small movement showing me $10. Hmm. If I will set my stop loss here, then it will hit very quickly. If we do a little bit back test, okay. For swing trade, I must say I have opened a very good position, I must say. at the right time for swing trade. Can we keep it continue for a day? No, I don't want to keep it continue. I just want to close it. I don't want to take risk. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can set my stop loss. Let it go at least. Okay, 16. That's very risky. I think we should close this one. The moment is okay. The trade is stuck. Truth is also just near to hit my break even. Both are just hovering around my break even. Oh yeah, I already have to open three positions. I should have to close this one. I think I don't want to. Hmm, let's put my stop loss to my break even. I have just put my stop loss to my break even. If trade goes right, maybe I will make some money. Or on the other hand, I don't want to lose anything in this trade. Hmm, you guys can see, I hope you guys can see. Yes, you guys can see. Let's see how much I want this big candle. This kind of big candles. But there's a clear rejection. Then it's just getting support from here. So $20 positive right now. I can close it manually, but I don't want. Let me let me move my stop loss to at least $10. No, it will hit very quickly. Okay, so I have just moved my stop loss to $10. Either I make $10 or will make, so now $25, moving my stop loss to $15. And now $30. I'm moving my stop loss to $20. Either I make $20, you see, either I make $20, or which are good chances I can make $20, or on the other hand I can make $60 as well. So it's $30 now. Hmm. Either I make $20, or on the other hand I can make $60 as well. Anything can be happen, but $20, more chances. 80% chances are this will hit my stop loss, which is $20 positive. Okay, now it's on $30. No, okay, that's enough, I think. Uh, $30. Either I make $30. Should I close manually? You now see that's getting rejection from here in these candles, which is not a good sign. $30 crossing $30. Move my stop loss to, no, that will be very near to. Okay, guys, I'm just going to book a small amount of profit here, and 28, 28, 29, 29. Okay, I have just booked a profit of $30 in this trade. You guys can see in this trade. So technically, I have made $90 today. Okay, not even 1%, but don't want to take more risk. So just try to grab small instead of losing all. So yes, 73% of my trade. Okay, good enough. Good enough. Okay. So try to grab small amount of profit in every trade and just stay away from that trade again. If it goes up on the right side again, I will not take the trade anymore. Uh, okay. So that's that's the way you can just grab small profit. 30 is okay. Okay, I'm happy with that. If this will fall down, then what can I do? So okay, I'm happy with $30. And on the other hand, okay, let's see another pair if we can see. Not the coin, not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. Can we see this one? Oh, no, not this one. Sorry. Uh, okay. Risk warning, don't show this. I have read the agreement. Okay, this is, I think these are just delisting this coin, maybe. That's the sign. Uh, and what is the meaning of the contract amount is labeling high risk. Okay, so yeah, no, not these kind of coins specifically. Try to will try to trade. Truth is just truth is just hovering around to my break even. Just want it back to that price. Let's talk about this one. Okay, okay, we see 1 hour time frame. That's 1 day time frame. Okay, well, that's the newly listed coin. Like not so much new, but October, November, December, January, like almost 3 months. No, opening short can be dangerous, but if we see the momentum, we can follow the momentum as well. But when if momentum shifts right away, then I will be in trouble. Okay, we can take the chance for opening the long short position, LYN USDT. But let's talk. Let's see about the indicator again. LYN USDT perpetual and okay, that's the sign. That's the 1 minute. Weak low on 1 minute, weak low on 5 minute, weak low at the weak low would be, and the break of structure is, and oh wow, every low is a weak low, every time frame is a weak low. Okay, 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 going down, 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 down. Yes. Should I open the short position from here? Can be dangerous, but let's take the chance. Opening the short position using just $150 10x leverage. Let's make it. Oh, okay, 10x is sufficient. It's just offering 20x. I am just taking the risk in this trade, following by the trend. Um, I hope everything goes good. And if something goes wrong, then I will close this trade manually. Okay, let's see how much we can make in this trade. That's a risky trade I have just took. using I use 10x leverage. These kind of coins you can take the chance, but try to use small leverages. That's the way you can just be safe at least. And on the other hand, all four positions, three positions. Ooh. So I have just closed two positions in positive and three are in negative. This one I have just opened it. Okay. Even we cannot set the lowest point of this coin right now. We can set our TP, the amount we want from this coin. Okay. Let's see if we can make $20 in this one. But potentially, yeah, there are good chances for this one to go low. That's the way you can catch the momentum sometime. But it's not always goes according to your plan as well. I have just seen the see that's the 15 minute time frame, that's the 5 minute time frame, that's the 1 hour time frame. It's just falling down, 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 down. If you catch one candle and goes in your favor and just breaks the structure, then you can just put your stop loss. It's just right now it's just moving in between the structure. The break of structure is very necessary in this kind of candle. So if the break of structure is there, you can put your stop loss at your break even. That's what you should do at least. Uh, so we need to see where does it goes. I have a good hope for this one. On the other hand, Truth and ARKM is going wrong. I don't know why I did that. Both of trades just went wrong. Not wrong, but on the wrong side. Even if you guys see, one trade I took against the indicator, and one trade I took following by the indicator, but it just both of trades just went wrong. They will come to positive for sure. I'm not setting up my stop loss anywhere. What I do is I will do DCA later on if I would be in need of do that, but for now I'm not doing any DCA. I have just opened another position. Opening short positions always just makes me very like gives me some panic. But if you're not taking risk, then how can you make money? Okay, this coin is. I just want this one to break the structure. Let's hope for this one. Uh, Structure already broken on this one. Mm, Sorry, guys. Uh, that's a 1 hour time frame. Let me set this up to 5 minute time frame. Okay. Okay. Just hovering around to break even. I just want this one to go down a little bit. Uh, okay. I just want to check this one. Oh, 1 hour. Okay, guys. This one is just yeah, just made 2 trades, but not big profit. The third one is in progress. These two just with $30 and $61. Yeah, these 2 trades I have just $90 today. Hope the third trade will go well. This one I just caught the momentum of this one. This is the new pair I have just tried. Maybe yeah, thank you so much. Just took the third trade, but opened the short position already. But I'm I'm very much confused about opening short positions always. I just keep myself. I think I just put myself in trouble opening short positions always. So opening short are not most of the time doesn't go well with me. That's what my experience is. Mhm. I just caught this one following by the momentum. Maybe uh, will take a little bit more time for this one. Hoping for the best and see, just set up the TP at $20. Okay. Okay, we are just hoping. Yeah, will fall down for sure. The momentum is just getting But I just took a very big risk in this one, but opened the position with very small margin. Maybe that's not nothing to worry about. Mhm. So market is just neutral, like maybe go up, maybe go down. It's not in the greed, it's not in the fear because of the BTC movement, of course. Um, showing, but I have already, I think, mentioned that today, how much is that? Yeah, 3.335 trillion is the market cap now, which is like very today the people just added like 110 billion dollars since yesterday. So just swept away all the bears from the market, which is a good sign for the long for the bulls, but anything can be happen. Volatile market, something big is happening in the market, then BTC can fall down to zero maybe. Not zero, of course, but now the potential, the indications, the market trends, and moreover, uh, our experience says that BTC will go up. But do your own research always. It's the volatile market. Always do your research first, then do trading as well if you want to trade. All right, all right, all right. So what's going on? Okay, so I think that's all for today. This trade is in process. Not getting any other, not going to get into any other trade. I'm, I don't want to open any other position now. The previous positions which are open, I will share their results in the WhatsApp channel as well. So you guys can follow my WhatsApp channel on the link on there's a link on bio in the bio. So please keep following that channel as well. And you can subscribe, you can register. There is a referral link in my bio as well. Click on the link while registering on this exchange as well. So there are multiple events going on. So it's a good thing. You can enjoy free bonus money uh, instead of putting your real money into your new wallets. Moreover, I think that's all for today. We'll come tomorrow again at the same time. We'll perform more live trades again. Hope everything goes in favor. 1 hour. Let me check this one actually. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for being online with me. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Moreover, subscribe to this, register your account with this exchange to avail free bonus amount as well. So there are free vouchers, free bonuses upon registration. You can click on that, the link in bio. So that's the way you can avail that free bonuses and discounts as well. So there is a 50% fee discount if you click on the link and register yourself by clicking on the referral account referral link. So that's the way you can just enjoy 50% free discount on futures trading fee as well. It's a good thing. I'm not getting anything. You guys will avail that free discount as well. So it's a good thing. Just keep following. Uh, Thank you, Lexi, for following me. It's a great honor for me. Um, but I was just about to close the session today. I hope everything is fine today. We have just made $90. Okay, not much, but not bad. Good enough. Not even 1% of my capital, but things are, it's a volatile market and anything can be happening in the market. So be safe, guys. Do your own research. Always doing trading first, and if you are new, just learn first. Try doing on demo accounts, and then you can just put your real money in your accounts. So thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow at the same time. We'll do the trade again, and we'll result this one uh, about this trade in my WhatsApp channel as well. So I will send the results of this trade in my WhatsApp channel as well. Okay. So you can click on the link and join my channel as well. Thank you so much for being online. See you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.